Welcome, thanks for joining me. In this video, I'll show you 4 different ways to make gift tags, just in time for the holiday season. Let's get started. Open Design Space and start a new project. Select a hexagon and change the color to white. Place it on the X and Y axis at 0. Now select a square. Change the color to white. Now make the width of the square 3.593 so that it fits across the widest part of the hexagon. Now place it on the X-axis at 0 and the Y-axis at 1.55. Select all and click on Weld to combine those shapes to form one. Okay, and here's the first gift tag. At this point, you can play around with the sizing that best fits your needs. I'm going to make it 2 by 3.5. Now I'm going to select a circle. I'm going to make it 0.25. Change the color to white. And place it on the tag. And then select all. Center it horizontally. And then group. I'm going to duplicate it. Rotate it 90 degrees, and I'm going to add text to both of these. I'm using the Cricut Sans font. The style is writing, and the font size that I'm using is 20. And I'm going to center the text, and I'm also going to change the color to red. Now I'm just going to add it to the card. Then I'm going to select all of that, center it horizontally, and then group. Now I'm going to add the same text to this card. I'm going over to the Layers panel to duplicate that text. So click on Duplicate. Now place it there, and then select all. Center it vertically, and then group. This is the first style with the text displayed 2 ways on the tag. Now moving on to the second style. Select a square. Make the square 3 by 6. Change the color to white. Select a triangle. Make the triangle 3 by 1.5. Select both the triangle and the square. We're going to align them horizontally and also at the bottom, align bottom. Select all, and we're going to slice. And then remove the parts you don't need and delete those. And this is the second tag. I'm going to reduce the size, make it 2 by 3.5. I'm going to select a circle. I'm going to make that 0.25. Change the color to white. Then I'm going to select all of that, center horizontally, and then group. I'm going to duplicate and rotate it to 70. Now I'm going to add text. I'm still using the Cricut Sans font, the writing style, and I'm going to change the font size to 12. And I'm also going to change the color to red. And I also want to add a line under the text. Select a score line, and I want to change that or convert it to a regular line. So I'm going up to Operation, click on Pen. I also want to change that color to red as well. Now I'm going to change the length and make it 1.5 and rotate it 90 degrees. Place it under the text. Then I'll select both, center horizontally, and then group those together. And I'm just going to duplicate. I'll take one of those and place it on this one. And I'll select all, center horizontally, and then group. And then I'll place this one on the other. Select all, center it vertically, and then group this one as well. This is the second style. Finally, you can upload your own design. I've uploaded 2 designs, one background color here and one of the designs that I created in Canva. I'll start with the one I created in Canva. I'm going to change the size to 2 by 3.5. And with this, all I would need to do is just add a circle at the top. And I'm just going over to one of the previous tags that we made. Select a circle in the layers panel and then click on duplicate. And I'm just going to place it. And I'm also going to reduce the size to 0.15. And then select all of that, center horizontally, and attach. Now with this one, with just the green background, I'm going to go over to one of the tags and just select the basic cut and duplicate that, because I only want the tag itself. I'm going to place it on top. Then I'm going to select all of it, and I'm just going to slice and then remove the parts that I don't need. And as you can see, now I have the tag with the background color that I want. I'll make another one. Select all of it, then click on slice. Remove the sections I don't need. Delete this and delete this. I'll just rotate this to 70. And now I can go about adding the text. I'm going to select a square. Change the color to white. reduce the size. I'm going to duplicate it. Place this one here. Going back to this one, I'm just going to align it vertically. Now I'm going to add the Happy Holidays text. So I'll just go over here, choose the text, and then duplicate it. And I'll duplicate that one more time. I'm going to change the color. I'm going to make this one black as well. I'll just click on all of that, center vertically, then I'll select all of this, click on attach, and then flatten. And now I want to add a circle, so I'll go over here to the layers panel, choose a circle, duplicate, and then select all of it, align vertically, and then attach. Moving over to this one, I want to align this horizontally, then I want to attach, and then flatten. And then I also want a circle. Over to the layers panel, choose a circle, duplicate, and select all of that, center it horizontally, and then attach. Here are all the gift tags that we created. What I'm going to do is align these, and I will be back when everything's done. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed what I've shared, give it a positive like, drop a comment, and subscribe. Also, if you have a topic suggestion on what you would like to see, drop them in the comment section below. Remember, stay positive, appreciate your progress, and I'll see you in the next video.